So welcome back everyone, just waiting for the birds to arrive again. We got birds only in one federation, the Diamondfederation again. We got 4 birds, no, never mind. We got 3 birds on 100k and 8 or 7 I believe on 200k, so yeah. I'll do a little clip of when we switch over to 100k from 100 to 200, so yeah, stay tuned. Ja. Allee joh. Is dat nou mogelijk? Dat krijg ik. So most of the birds just arrived from 100k. We're still missing one, but yeah, he should arrive when 200k birds are dropping. So yeah, we did have pretty early placing with the old blue bar, but nothing too crazy I think. So yeah. Je had er niet van kieven, hè? No. Ik zeg het nog, dat is hier van... Nee. Ja. Ja, dit is niet voor ons. Ah, dit is hem denk ik. En hij is hem nog gaan eten smet. Dat is hem. Dat is hem.
Nog een, veel naar zijn die allemaal. Wat is? 32 en 34, ja. Ja. Kom op, ja. Ja, dan denk ik dat je een paar op weg te werken. Ja.
Allee, wat zit hij nou op de grond doen? Hij krijgt schaat van hem, mannen. Wat is dat tegenwoordig met die duiven, ja? so we got most of them home. Let's just see. For the 100k, the old blue bar was first again. Pretty early, pretty decent. And then this one we pulled back from 200k to 100, and it's obviously did better now. So, and then this one kind of missed the mark. We were expecting him to be first actually, so yeah. And then for 200k, the one bird, we changed up the yearling blue bar to 200k, and of course he has to fly first when we do so, yeah. And then 650, that's one of the ace pigeon strain. And then 611, kind of on the late side. We were expecting him to be first again after missing last week. But yeah, I think that's still gonna be a prize. But yeah, kind of on the late side for ace pigeon. And then 318, which is a 100k bird. Totally missed the mark again. And then 56, I don't even know. Oh yeah, that's the one I pulled the tail out of. And then the grizzle. The grizzle was flying really well the last 3 or 4 200k races, and now he didn't. That's kind of a letdown. Was a lot of south tailwind today. Our birds fly better with headwind, so yeah. But that can be an excuse. We're still waiting for the one with white flights on in the top loft, the top left corner, and then I believe the one mealy red bar. But yeah, that's the worst bird on the loft, so yeah, he probably won't arrive anytime soon. But yeah, the one with white flights we're still waiting for. Oh, there he is. So yeah, that's gonna be the last one for today. I'm not gonna wait for the red bar, never do usually, so yeah. So we got the results here now. I'm gonna start off with the 100k race. Yeah, this is for young birds. This should be it. Yeah, this is gonna be it. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the 100k race, which we had, let's see how many birds we got. 4 birds in this race, total of 208 pigeons. Didn't get the best, like you could see in the video, but yeah, 833 did get a placing again. That's the old guy, the blue bar. How many places is he? 43rd. And then yeah, that's gonna be it. We got the over pigeon here as well, but that doesn't count. So yeah, like I said, these 100k wasn't as good as we thought it would be, so yeah. And then 200k, 387 pigeons in this race. This is actually the blue bar that we had at 100k for the longest time. We pulled him back, we put him to 200k for the first time this week. And of course he has to fly 19th out of nowhere. So yeah, that's nice to know that he can fly that as well. And then we got 650, that's the ace pigeon strain. 69th place, and then we got 611 here, a little bit late for what he usually flies, at 84th place. And then we got these two, the one I pulled his tail out of, and the grizzle. Was expecting the grizzle to be faster as well, but yeah, still quite a decent result sheet as such. I want to say 6 pigeons out of 11, which is at 1/3, so that's still quite good. But yeah, again, 611, kind of on the late side, but we'll see what it turns out to be. So anyways, guys, I would like to thank you all for watching once again. As always, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.